Rose, and I work at Tritech Research. Tritech Research designs state-of-the-art lab equipment. We have designed a variety of cutting-edge tools for microscope automation and microinjection. Our new RoboScope line finally makes sophisticated computer control of microscope functions available to scientists, even those on a tight budget. For example, here is the RoboScope master control unit, our focus controller, and our shutter controller. Using these three components and our intuitive, user-friendly software, you can have the microscope automatically turn illumination on and off, move to different focal planes, and acquire a sequence of different images within minutes of unpacking the equipment from the shipping cart. Setting up the system is quick and easy.
We just got a RoboScope system. It's really easy to set up. I'll show you step by step how fast it is to install the shutter controller, the focus controller, and the master control unit.
Install the controls. First we'll install the shutter controller. Okay, first remove the shutter slider by loosening its brackets, its knobs, and pulling it out. Put the slider bracket on there by using the original knob to hold it in place, but you want to make sure that it's in this orientation with the V groove up on the top. So you just tighten that in there and slide it back into the microscope. Now to actually install the shutter control, you remove this access cap to the mounting hole. You put the controller here and attach it with a screw. You screw that in until it's nice and snug. Connect the two using the connecting rod and plug the connector of the shutter controller into the 3-pin connector coming from the master control unit, and be careful to make sure that the silver sides are lined up. Okay, that one's all done. So here's the focus knob of the microscope, and all we do is take the focus controller, slide it over the knob, tighten it with an Allen wrench, and attach its connector to the 4-pin connector coming from the RoboScope master control unit, and make sure that the black and yellow wires go as marked. And now that one's all set. Now all that's left are the main power connections for the master control unit. So here's the master control unit right here. Its power plug gets plugged into an electrical outlet like this, and it has a 3-prong receptacle. You use this to plug in the power cord that comes from the microscope's lamp power supply so that the control unit can control that. And then there's a parallel port connector, and that plugs into the parallel port on any PC compatible computer. And you're all set and ready to go. If you thought that the hardware installation was pretty simple, the software installation is even easier. You just take 2 files that are on a floppy disk and drag copy them onto your hard disk, and there you go. So now we'll start out the RoboScope program.
Computer-controlled XY stage, a full line of micro-injection control equipment, glide stages, and microscope stage temperature controllers. TriTech Research prides itself on being able to produce custom laboratory equipment. So if you have any laboratory experiments involving microscopy that you would like to automate, tell us about them and we can probably offer you an innovative low-cost solution. Again, our number is 1-800-733-3874. And you can visit our website at www.tritechresearch.com.